Desert Clan. Their name already says this. But Desert Clan is a group of cats that live in a desert. They hunt meerkats, snakes and venomous ones, ferrets, prairie dogs, and some raccoons. Animals that can kill them are hawks, rattlesnakes or cobras, scorpions, coyotes at the borders, and some foxes. They usually have a very slim build. Long and thick fur is extremely rare in this clan. Their leader is a she-cat named Serval. Their camp is in a sinkhole sort of area, with sandstone around the edges making it more sturdy. There are tunnels at the sides, which is where their dens are. They are known for being fast, smart and agile. They have sharp hearing, so they can hear rattlesnakes and other animals. They are also amazing diggers, to dig tunnels and to dig meerkats, ferrets or prairie dogs out of their tunnels.